Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 12 how to add a banner to your Twitter account using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account, and a banner. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then click on edit profile, and then click on the banner. Now we can go to documents and navigate to the banner, and then the banner must be in dimensions 1500 by 500. Click on spacebar. That's how big the banner should be. Choose. We can increase the size or decrease or leave it the way it is, and then apply, save. The banner has now been updated with a new photo. Command R to refresh, refresh again, and there is the banner. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.